Sister Nivedita University, located in Kolkata, West Bengal, offers a diverse academic portfolio with 15 schools spanning engineering, business, humanities, health sciences, and more. It has received an overall rating of 4 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses here? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with its placements rated 4 out of 5 stars. According to the 2024 NIRF report, 255 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 154 students secured placements, while 56 students opted for higher studies. Students report that companies such as Byju's, Mahindra, TCS, Wipro, HP, HCL, Leyland, EY, Cognizant, and Accenture regularly visit the campus, offering roles such as web developer, full stack developer, software engineer, language developer, service engineer, data analyst, research scientist, and quality analyst. According to the students, the highest package offered exceeded 50 lakh per annum in 2024 placement drive. However, according to the NIRF overall report, the median package offered was 5 lakh per annum in 2023, marking a 5% increase from 2022. In comparison, while SNU offers better packages than that of Neotia University, it is on par with JIS College of Engineering. As for internships, students begin securing opportunities as early as their second and third year. By the 6th semester, they become eligible for on-campus placements, and in the 7th semester, internships are integrated into the syllabus. Roles such as SDE intern, consultant, and web developer provide valuable hands-on industry experience and skill enhancement. Regarding academics, SNU offers 4.1-star rated BTech program across 8 specializations, including computer science and business systems, cybersecurity, and data science. Eligibility requires a minimum of 60% in 10+2 with admissions based on SNU ET exam. Students can also gain admission through WB JEE or JEE main ranks. A quick look at the 2024 JEE main cutoffs indicate intense competition for cybersecurity, while computer science and business systems sees relatively less competition. Similarly, the WB JEE cutoffs show high competition for AI and ML compared to other specializations. As for the cost, the total course fees is approximately 8 lakh rupees, with monthly hostel charges going up to 12,000 rupees. Merit-based scholarships along with central and state government scholarships are available for eligible students. Moving on now to the 4-star rated infrastructure. The campus in Newtown, Kolkata boasts well-equipped facilities including air-conditioned laboratories such as virtual instrumentation and signal processing lab and dynamics lab. However, while classrooms are fitted with projectors, they lack air conditioning, which students find challenging during the city's hot summers. A well-stocked library, seminar hall, multiple boardrooms, and centers of excellence like Yoga Center and Center of Innovation are supported by campus-wide Wi-Fi. Recreational amenities include a media and animation live studio, VR lab, music room, and sports facilities for cricket and football. As per students, the canteen offers quality food, though the mess food needs improvement. Hostel accommodations are comfortable and student safety is ensured with 24/7 security and on-site medical facilities. Turning to faculty and course rated 4.1 stars. Students commend the supportive faculty and share that the curriculum stands out as being superior to that of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology, incorporating regular tests, training sessions, and industrial tours to keep students abreast with the latest technologies. The university emphasizes industry integration through its Industry Connect program and plans to enhance opportunities further with its upcoming Center of Excellence, which will collaborate with global leaders like Bosch, Google, and ABB Robotics. The Center for Corporate and Career Advancement complements this by developing essential communication and soft skills, ensuring students are well prepared for professional success. SNU supports aspiring entrepreneurs through workshops, seminars, and dedicated mentorship programs, fostering skills and connection with venture capitalists. International collaborations with institutions like Junimar Corny, the University of Valladolid, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, and the Indo-German Center for Higher Education further enhance students' academic experiences. Moving on now to campus life rated 4.1 stars. Students say that the campus life is lively with coding competitions and events like quizzes, debates, and hackathons organized regularly. Students can engage in extracurricular activities through clubs like Google Developer Student Club, Code Chef, Geeks for Geeks, and literature and documentation. Nature exploration is encouraged through camps and excursions, while opportunities in music, art, literature, and sports support creative and cognitive growth, enriching the student experience. Lastly, in terms of rankings, SNU is currently unranked in the engineering category of the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on SNU Kolkata and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.